keep on watching and do subscribe to my channel. Don't forget the notification bell so you will get notifications when I'm. Yeah, let's move to the video. Okay guys, let's talk about the chords. So we are using 4 chords: C sharp, so C sharp, F, G sharp, D sharp or E flat, so D sharp, G, A sharp, F minor, F, G sharp, C, G sharp or A flat, so G sharp, C, D sharp, and the last chord is B flat minor, yeah, A sharp minor, so B flat, C sharp, F. So these 5 chords we are using in the song. Now let's move to the video. So in the beginning we have a music, so it's like, come on, F, 1, 2, 3, and we will repeat this twice. So once again, 1, 2, 3. Now let's play the song. Now come on, the lower G sharp, and it's like, he satellites, get out of this town. Come on. Now come on, A sharp, drive out of, come on, F, the city. Then again, come on, A sharp, away from the crowd. Okay, so away from the crowd. Then again, come on, G sharp, I thought heaven can't help me now. Come on, A sharp, nothing lasts forever. Come on, this G sharp, but this is gonna take me down. Okay, then from F we are jumping on C, so like, he's so tall and handsome as hell. He's so bad, but he does it so well. Then again, I can see the end as it begins. Come on, G sharp. My one condition is, then the viral part of the song. So come on, G sharp, and say you remember me. Then standing in the nice dress. Come on, A sharp. Staring at the sunset bay. Then again, red lips and rosy cheeks. Say you'll see me again, even if it's just in your. Then from here, now from D sharp we are jumping on D sharp. So like, wildest, come on, see, dreams. Then once again, wildest dreams. Oh, sorry, I just hit my tripod every time I'm playing. Now next part of the. So the next paragraph is same as the previous one. Now let's play the bridge part. So come on, F, and from here, you see me in hindsight, tangled up with you all night. Then burn it down. So burn it down. Then come on, F again. Someday when you leave me, I bet these memories follow you around. So follow you around, and we'll repeat this twice. Then we have the same. Say you remember me, standing in the nice dress, staring at the sunset, babe. Red lips and rosy cheeks. Say you see me again, even if it's just in yours. Then there's a little change, like, so come on, C sharp. Say you remember me, standing in the nice dress, staring at the sunset, babe. Red lips and rosy cheeks. Say you see me again, even if it's just in your wildest dreams. So that's it, guys. Now let's play with our both hands. We've already played this part. Now let's move to the. liked this video. If you have liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. Do subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.